Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can farm on Pancakeswap. Lately, I have been getting a lot of demand that I should make this Pancakeswap video, and right now, I am going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. I am going to show you exactly how you can farm and make passive income using Pancakeswap over time. So let's jump right in. Right now, I am on the Pancakeswap platform. For us to start farming, we would have to make sure there is BNB present in our decentralized wallet. Now, I am going to access my Binance Smart Chain wallet. This is my Binance Smart Chain wallet. As you can see, there's BNB present in the wallet. So right now, once I have BNB present in my wallet, I can go on to farm using Pancakeswap, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. We have to click on farms right here. Now, this is exactly how the farming platform will look like. This is where you can farm using Pancakeswap. Now, there's something I need to tell you before you start farming. The advantage of farming is that you make money, passive income over time, but there is also a disadvantage of farming, and this disadvantage is called impermanent loss. Impermanent loss can be explained in this article. Now, as you can see, this is the Binance Academy explanation for impermanent loss. So if you want to know exactly what impermanent loss is, I would leave a link in the description of this video so you can come over here and learn more about impermanent loss. There are lots of information for you to learn here. I won't want to take your time in this video. I will allow you to do your own research on what impermanent loss is. Basically, what impermanent loss is that when you want to farm, you will need like two assets. So you would have an asset A and you would have also an asset B. Let's say the total price you bought these two assets was at $100. Now, impermanent loss is when you put these two assets into the farm and you gain more of asset A and less of asset B. When you choose to sell these two assets at a later time, you may discover that the total price of these two assets in the future may be less than your initial capital of 100. So you may have a slight difference in loss, and this loss is called impermanent loss. Now, this is just the disadvantage in farming. Now, to help make sure that your impermanent loss is almost insignificant, there is something called rewards when farming. When farming, you get rewards. Now, let's go over to the farming platform. This is the farming platform. For you to take advantage of these rewards, you would have to pay attention to the APRs of different farms. Now, the APR is the average percentage rate, and this is calculated per year. So whatever percentage you see here, you have to divide it by 365 to know the amount of percentage you'll be getting per day. The way I do this is that when I go over to Pancakeswap farms, I select the coin with a high APR. It means that I will be getting more rewards when I farm those coins. So I select coins with higher APR. Now we're going to go down and select a coin with higher APR. As you can see, these are coins here. So as you can see, most of them are in the 300 range, and we are looking for, let's say, a coin with an APR of over 400%. This right here is a coin that has over 400% APR. Now let's go ahead and farm this coin. We would have to go to details. Now this is details right here. When you click on this, now you can see that this is a BFI BNB farm. That means when you want to farm, you should have BFI and you should have BNB. When you do this, you would have to farm using these two tokens to provide liquidity in the farming pool. So this is what you are going to do when you want to start farming. Right now, I am going to go ahead in this start farming section and select unlock wallet. So right now I'm going to use the Binance Chain wallet. It shows me that I should connect my wallet. Now I would have to connect my wallet to this farm. Connect. Once I have connected my wallet, before we enable this farm, the next thing you would have to do is that, currently I told you that I have BNB present in my wallet. When you want to farm, you need two coins of equal amount. You need equal amount of BNB and equal amount of BFI. So right now I have BNB present in my wallet and I need to get BFI. Understand? So I would have to go to the exchange to get BFI. Now this is the exchange. Now I have to swap some BNB to BFI. So I will click on select currency and I would have to buy BFI. Now this is it right here. Right now, I want to swap 0.2 BNB to BFI. That is half of the BNB I have present in my wallet. Now, this is how much BFI I would get. I would go ahead and unlock this wallet, select Binance Chain wallet, and right now, I would have to connect my wallet to Pancakeswap to confirm my transaction. Now, as you can see, I have connected my wallet to Pancakeswap, and now I would go ahead and click swap. Now, this shows that I have to confirm my swap, that I am swapping 0.2 BNB and I'm getting 0.25 BFI. Confirm this transaction. You will see that my swap has been executed. Right now, I have 0.2 of BNB and 0.25 of BFI. Right now, I'll go over to the Pancakeswap farms. We have equal amount of BFI present in our wallet, and we also have equal amount of BNB present in our wallet. Now, we would go ahead and click on this get BFI and BNB LP liquidity tokens for the liquidity pool that you are going to put your BFI and BNB in. So I am going to click on this to redirect you to a page. When you click on it, right now this is the liquidity section. Like I said, when you want to get LP tokens, make sure that both of the coins you are getting are equal in value. In this video, I am going to use 0.15 BNB. As you can see, 0.15 BNB would give me 0.187954 BFI. So I would go ahead and unlock my wallet. So I'm going to unlock this Binance Chain wallet. Now I have enough BNB and BFI to get an LP token. So I'm going to click on approve BFI right here, confirm this transaction. Now I would click on supply. As you can see, pay attention to this figure right here, this 0.167536. This is the value of the LP token I will be getting to stake in my farming pool. Now I would have to scroll down and click on confirm supply. I would have to confirm this transaction in my wallet and close this. So as you can see right now, my liquidity token has been added. If I scroll down, I can clearly see the liquidity token in my wallet. Currently, I have the BFI BNB LP token. Now, as you can see, this is the individual worth of 0.18 BFI and 0.149 BNB that made up this 0.165 LP tokens. Once we've done this, we would have to go back to the farming pool. Now, this is the farming pool, and right now, I would have to click on this enable farm, confirm this transaction right now in my wallet. Now, my farm has been enabled, and I would have to click on stake LP. Remember, when we created the LP token, we had 0.168, and right now this is the 0.168 present in our balance. So we'd have to go ahead and click on max. This is because I want to use the entire amount in my wallet to stake on the farm. So I am going to click on confirm this and confirm. The transaction is pending. Right now, presently, I have 0.168 staked in this farm. Also, if I want to harvest my farmed coins, I will click on this. Understand, when I click on this, I can harvest the coins I've farmed. But right now, since we just started, there are no coins to harvest yet because we just started farming. If you want to know an estimate of how much tokens you would be getting, you can click on this calculator right here, and this is the estimate of how much cake you would be getting. Once you stake your liquidity tokens in the liquidity pool, you would get cake in return. Understand? So let's say I stake a $1,000 in total value, I would get this amount, 0.32 cake per day, as you can see, and my return on investment will be 1.11%. If I stake for 7 days, I get 2.33 cake. And one more thing I need to say in regards to farming: the longer you farm in a pool, the more your ROI increases. As you can see, for 30 days, you get a larger ROI than when you stake for 7 days, and so on. For 365 days, that is a year, the ROI is a lot, and you would get a lot of cake tokens when you stake for a longer period of time. As you can see, you will get 1,616 when you stake for a year. One more thing I need to tell you: when the amount of people staking in this pool increases, the APR reduces. So to be a profitable farmer, you can also be jumping from one pool to another as long as you are profiting more. When the APR drops, you can unstake your LP tokens and go over to another pool to farm. As you can see, I have harvested my farmed cake. If you want to harvest, you just click on this and confirm it in your wallet. But also, if you want to unstake your LP tokens, if you don't want to stake again, you would have to click on this minus sign. Now, this shows that you want to remove your LP tokens. So when you do this, you see unstake LP tokens. I'm going to click on max, and I'm going to confirm this transaction in my wallet. My transaction is pending. As you can see, I have successfully unstaked my LP tokens. If you click on this, you will see that there is no more LP token available. Understand? Because I have removed my LP token from this pool. Let's say I don't want to own this LP token again. I want to recover my initial coins. I would have to go to this trade section and select liquidity. When I do this, make sure your wallet is connected. So I will go ahead right now and connect my wallet. Binance Chain wallet. Now I would have to scroll down and see the liquidity present in my wallet. Currently, I have this liquidity because this is what we bought earlier on. Drop this down. As you can see, it shows that remove. If I click on this remove, I can remove the liquidity present. And when that happens, the two coins I staked, the BFI and BNB, will return to my wallet. I'm going to go ahead and remove this liquidity. I'm going to select max. I want to remove everything 100%. I would go ahead and approve this transaction. I would have to confirm this. My transaction is pending, and as you can see, remove, confirm. And I would have to confirm this in my wallet. My transaction has been submitted. As you can see, I have successfully removed this LP token, and my tokens are now in my wallet. For me to confirm that the coins are present in my wallet, I would have to go to the trade section and click on this exchange. This is the exchange section. Now I want to convert my BFI to BNB. This is the BFI I have currently. I will click on this. I would have to swap this, select max, and right now I want to swap this amount of BFI to this amount of BNB. Confirm swap. As you can see right now, I've successfully swapped BFI to BNB, and my complete BNB is now present in my wallet. Now this is exactly how you farm using Pancakeswap. Now I just showed you how you can buy LP tokens and stake those LP tokens to earn cake. Now this is exactly how you make passive income over time using Pancakeswap. And remember, the more you farm, the more rewards you get over time. Now this is going to be it. I truly hope you enjoyed this educative video. I said that farming is a good way to make passive income over time, and also do your own research. When you do your own research, you would get better knowledge on what I am saying. Before I end this video, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is mainly for educational purpose. With that said, this is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.